Into this new tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how you can start earning money just by typing words, by copy pasting and reading as well. It is an easy thing and every one of you can do that, even though that you may have not any previous experience or any special skill at all. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can share these articles and start getting paid again and again just by doing so. With the help of this platform, you will get paid for every single reading that you take to read your article. You are going to get paid almost $3. This is going to function even though that you just only use that once, and you will get paid again and again. You can see the highest amount ever earned into this platform, which almost $17,000 just for using it and for sharing this kind of articles, which thanks to a bonus tip that I'm going to share with you, you will find them ready and start getting paid just by doing so. In order to understand it and in order to not get confused, you will need to stay with me till the very end of the video so you can understand how you can do that. This kind of platform is getting almost 15 visitors within a month, so it means that it has got a lot of visitors, and the opportunity of you to get more customers and more money is going to be millions as well. So stay with me and you can understand how you can make it work. Before revealing you the platform that is going to pay you online money, welcome back into Better Personal Growth, where we daily share with you videos of making money online. We are going to post day by day and release with you day by day videos of making that thing. And if you like it and you love to make money online, for sure the very first thing that you will need to do is to go to the comment section and type "I love to make money online," so we will get more motivated so we can post more and more. And as well, if you want to show us your support, make sure to like the videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and to push the notifications on. So whenever we release a new video, you will get notified and not miss that. Share this video with your friends so you can help them as well to earn money online if they don't know. Bear in mind, this kind of strategy is going to work for every one of you, even though that you may be beginners or have never tried to make money online. It's going to work even worldwide. The platform is called Medium.com, and what you can do here is to discover the best histories, thinking and expertises from writers on any topic. So you can discover here different articles about every topic that you may think of it. You can just click into start reading so you can see more articles, but no worries guys, you're not here to read a lot of articles, you're not here to do or to type things at all. You're here just to copy and paste them into this platform and start getting paid. You can see here that this platform is offering different categories like self, relationships, data science, programming, productivity, JavaScript, machine learning, politics, health, and more. And what you can do here, guys, it's not only choosing these categories that they are offering, but as well you can choose the niches that you think that people like more. Before clicking into sign up, what we will need to know is if this platform it is legit. So go to similarweb.com so you can make it totally secured and click there medium.com, and you will see the amount of the visitors that they are getting, the bounce rate, the reviews, and so it makes that totally secured and not scam to use. Now that we saw all this, what we will need as well is for sure how much we are going to get paid just for using this platform. So go to Google and search for how much Medium.com is going to pay you. You can see that the highest amount of ever earned by this help of this platform just per reading there, it's almost $70,000 just per reading and using it. You will be able to earn into Medium.com up to $3 per every single person who is going to read your article. You will get paid just by doing that. Even though that you may not be like sharing day by day, you will get paid. Now that you saw all this information and why is it worth it to use this platform, you will just click into get started in the left corner of it, and you will be directed right over here where you will need to fill your information. For sure, the one that I always suggest is the fastest one and the easiest one, which is signing up by Google or Facebook or email. You can choose between of them and signing up, and which one of them you will choose, you will be directed right over here into their main page, which is going to look like exactly like this one. You can see in the right corner that they are offering different services like home, notifications, save lists, stories, and as well write. The last one is the one that is going to pay us money online just for writing things there. That's why you will need to stay till the end with me so you can understand where you can find these resources and how you can write them here and start getting paid. With the help of this platform that I told you, it's a bonus one. You can find already articles so you can share it. And what is this platform called? It is Quora.com, and I'm sure that most of you know it because this is one of these platforms which I always share with you, and as well it is very popular. Now that you are into Quora, what you will need to do is to create a total new account, and after that go to your main page of it, which is going to look like exactly like this one. They are going to offer you different various categories to choose, but if you don't like the ones that are here in this page, journalism like fine art, literature, mathematics, writing, or designs, you can just choose or search for one of these niches that you think that people like more. So for example, you can just search for food or other informations. In my example, I have just chosen world history, so you will have more information about it. Now that you have chosen one of these, what you're gonna do in order to access is to click to the more option right over here, so you can just copy it, get this text, and after that pasting it into another platform and start getting paid. Now that you saw all of these guys, what we will need after we secure the text, after we found the place where we are going to post it, it's to worry about the copyright issue. I'm going to present you as well a bonus tip which is going to help you to pass this problem with the copyright issue. It's called spinboo.com, and this is one of the best platforms where you can just come here, paste your text, after that click into spin it, and you will be able to get a total new text paraphrased and summarized differently. So this will help you to not worry about the copyright issue and to have problems. So for example, I've typed in something here like I'm eating an ice cream, and they have paraphrased it, I'm eating a frozen yogurt. So it is totally different from the one that I've chosen. So you can just do the same, paste here the text, and after that spin it, and you will have a total new text so you can share it. Now that you've got the text, now that you paraphrased it, what you will need to do is going back into medium.com and posting it there. And for example, what you're gonna do is going to the option that I told you, which is write, and you will be directed right over here where you will just paste the text that you've got from platforms from spinboo.com that you've got paraphrased it. So whenever you post it, after doing that, you will not be concerned about the copyright issue, and you will be able to earn again and again just for sharing this kind of thing, which is totally ready, and you will not need to get tired about it. Now, if you learned something new today, and if you like it and you want to see more for sure coming up day by day, make sure to show me your love and support again, as I told you in the beginning, by sharing and by subscribing. Thank you for watching till the end, and we will see you again into new videos coming up day by day. Stay tuned, guys.